Okay YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So we're in part 2 now of the BMW M3 project. So if you can remember, we had the door card that I had to try and replicate. So I've made the mould, and if you remember, I had this little part here, which was the bit where the window switches go, but this is fouling on his crossbars on his roll cage. So I came to the unit the other night and didn't have my camera with me, so I've had to just take a couple of photos, but basically put some glue on this side, put a piece of carbon fibre there, let it go off, and then just start fiberglassing it from the back. So now I'm going to try and just peel that back on this side. Hopefully this will come off fairly easy. Then I'm just going to have to prep this, get it smooth as I can, then quickly make a part from this mould, and then remould that, and that should be the final mould. I've already moulded the control sort of panel, if you like, where the mirror control is going to go. So that's pretty much done. It's got to trim that up and make it nice and neat. But fingers crossed, this will break off nicely and we can get on with the job. So let's get it boxed off.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you? I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control. Do it for you. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you? Don't be afraid, just let go of your fears, 'cause you know you can do it, baby. Dance them away. Now you know how it feels. Now you know you can do it, baby. And let the music begin. I know you feel it within.
So the span's all done now. Some nice paint on that. Nice coat of lacquer. He's also supplied me a USB outlet and the comms for his dash. So I've got to wire all this in, create a harness, as well as install a couple more switches, window switches, and put a nice Deutsch collectors on it so he can just plug it straight into his car. Sounds simple. Hopefully it will be, but that's the next job, so let's get on with it.
We break up and you slam the door. I messed up on the bedroom floor. What the hell do we do this for? I push you out but you come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that, you know.
Okay, so that's this panel finished now, ready to get sent off. So what I've done is I've wired it up so that the LED in the switch for the diff cooler, instead of like just being illuminated when you put the ignition on, it's only illuminated when you activate the diff cooler relay. So when you push the button, it goes on, and the light will give you an indication that there is power getting transferred to that relay, so you know it's on. I thought that would be more practical for a racing car, because you don't really want it to have it illuminated for no reason. You want it to be illuminated so you know it's doing its job. We've got the window switches here, momentary ones either side, dash communications, and a nice dual USB. So let's have a look at the business end where the wiring is. So we've got a fuse supply for the power direct to the USB outlet, and for the switchgear, what I've done is I've used a Deutsch connector, and I've created all these tails so now he can just the customer can see exactly where everything's going. So you've got like diff out, windows in right hand side, windows down left hand side, common ground, windows up right hand side. You know, it's self-explanatory, but the whole loom is terminated, ready for the customer to splice it into his existing loom. But yeah, that's how this one's looking so far. I'm quite chuffed with it. I'll just nip downstairs and show you the door cards. So I've made 2 GRP door cards based on the templates given to me, but I've got rid of those handles and the switchgear mounting points they had there, so it's now perfectly flat. You can see how all the moulds I've had to go through to get to this stage. So a lot of work has been done in the background on these, but I'll keep hold of these, make the fresh plugs, and I'll do another video of me making the carbon fibre versions of these. But yeah, it's a very quick video. I hope you found it interesting. There's loads more coming on the channel. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Cheers.